Governor Beshear said the numbers today show that what we are doing in Kentucky is working. However, he didn't want to get too optimistic about whether the spread of the virus is slowing here in Kentucky until we compare them with the numbers over the first few days. And let's take a look at those numbers. 54 new cases were reported today, bringing the total number of confirmed cases of the virus in Kentucky to 1,008. However, 14 more people have died, and that number of COVID-19 related deaths in the state now stands at 59. At the governor's briefing today, he talked about these deaths and how they're more than just numbers. LEX 18's Catherine Collins explains his latest plea for Kentuckians to follow his instructions.
That's right, Nancy. So today the governor talked about those 14 new deaths reported and how that cannot just be a number for Kentuckians. People need to remember that that is so devastating for each one of these families. And he showed a photo of June Hill to hit that point home. June Hill is a mother and grandmother from McLean County whose death was caused by the coronavirus. He says everyone needs to continue to work to prevent families from going through what hers is going through right now. And we're now 1 month since the first case of coronavirus was reported in Kentucky, and we're now at over 1,000 cases total. Today, Governor Beshear said, compared to other states, it does appear Kentucky's social distancing efforts are working. 54 new cases were reported today, but the governor says we don't yet know what that means.
54. That's a lot less than we expected at this point. And the last 2 days are certainly less than the days before. Let's not read anything into it until we see the following days. We think we are still escalating.
The governor continues to stress the need for personal protective equipment donations like gloves and masks for healthcare workers and first responders. He's asking anyone who has access to those items to please donate them. Live in Frankfort, Catherine Collins, Evening Edition.